All right, let's talk about something that powers almost everything in your life, electricity. But instead of going full science textbook, I want to make this as relatable as possible. Imagine electricity is like water flowing through pipes. Pipes are your wires. Water is the electric charge. Now let's break down the two main players. Current, voltage. First up, current. Think of current as the amount of water flowing through the pipe every second. It's the flow of electric charge, measured in amperes, amps. Big current is like a fat pipe with tons of water rushing through. Now, voltage. Voltage is different. It's how hard the charge is being pushed. Imagine a water tank up on a hill. The higher the tank, the more pressure at the bottom. That pressure is your voltage. Voltage is the force that pushes charge through the wire, measured in volts. So, to sum it up, current is how much voltage is how hard. Let's make it more real. Picture a garden hose. Turn the faucet a little, small flow, low current. Crank it up, big stream, high current. Put your thumb over the end. Water sprays faster and harder, like increasing voltage. Pressure goes up and the water shoots out harder. But here's the catch. You need both. High voltage but no current. Tall tank, closed valve. Nothing moves. Lots of current but no voltage. Big pipe with no pressure. Nothing moves. In your gadgets, your phone, your laptop, your toaster, they need the right combo of current and voltage. Too much of either. Fry your device. Too little. It won't turn on. So next time you plug in your phone or flip a switch, remember, current is the flow, voltage is the push. They're the dynamic duo that keeps your world buzzing. Want to sound extra smart? Drop the water analogy at your next dinner party. Trust me, it works every time. Current measures the flow of electric charge through a conductor. Voltage measures the electrical pressure that drives that flow. Together, they determine how much electrical power flows through your devices and makes them work. Now you understand the invisible force that powers your world. Current and voltage, the dynamic duo of electricity.